نیشنل کرکٹ لیگ.
Sachin Tendulkar at the National Cricket League. A glorious finale, our spirits intrigue, unveiling dreams, cricket's true embrace. At UTD's ground, the crowd erupts. With every roll, we feel the grace. At UTD's ground, the crowd erupts. A glow, a glorious finale. Sachin Tendulkar, passion erupts. A moment so historic, cheers fill the night. Celebrating cricket, a passion so bright. Chalta TV captures its joyous cheer, a historical moment for all to revere. With hearts united, in cricket we trust. Together we celebrate with passion. History unfolds. Sachin Tendulkar at the National Cricket League. Chalta TV captures its joy.